Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Architect. Go to KineMaster app and press create new project. Display 16:9 ratio. Add black screen as background and put the time duration up to 20 seconds. Now add the downloaded clips from gallery as a layer. Now add the third clip. Add the third clip to the full screen. Use the blending option and select screen. Now add the first image and second clip to the video. Now add the criminal bundle file to the screen. Adjust it as you like. Now next part of the video is the major part of the video. Go to effects and press mirage option or download the mirage option from the store. This mirage option will help you in getting shaking effect. Go to settings and adjust as you like. So this is the final result. So your outro is finally ready. Save the file to your gallery.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you